Hi Diana, how are you today? I hope you are doing fine. So today we are going to continue your lesson of Unit 3. Now please open your student's book on page 24. Already? Okay, let's take a look to part 1. So in part 1, actually you have to remember again the vocabulary that you've learned in the last lesson. So, I'd like to remind you some of the words, like annual. What's the meaning of annual? Yes, it means happening once a year. And then, what's the meaning of isolated? Yes, yes, isolated means being alone, not with other people. And then, how about enormous? Yes, enormous means very big. Okay, now in this part, you have 15 vocabularies that you've learned last time, and you have to put the vocabulary to the sentences. Right. So you can do the first exercise. And after that, after you're done with the first exercise, let's take a look to the next thing that you will learn today, which is about first, places in schools. Second, expressions with take. And the last one is verbs for talking. Okay, Diana, I'll start with places in schools. So, in your school, I believe there are several places that you know, right? Like canteen. What is canteen? Canteen is the place where you buy food. Okay, how about corridor? Yes, corridor is a hallway. It's usually in front of the classroom. And then you have the word hall. Hall is a big room, very large room, where you can gather with friends or teachers, usually to listen to the announcement, or maybe there is a meeting or seminar or something like that. And library, yeah, it's the place for you to borrow books, to read, and to study there. Playing fields. Playing fields is a place where you can play during the break time. And then staff room, it's the place for the staff at your school, right? And then stairs. If you want to go from the ground floor to the first floor, or from the first floor to the second floor, you can use stairs. So it's actually a way to go from the first to the second floor. Okay, Diana, now you've known all the meaning, right? Now you can fill in the blanks of the sentences with all the words. Next, Diana, it's about expressions with take. So we can use the word take for for several situations. I mean, for example, the first word is take it down. So this is the example of take it down. For example, there is a picture on the wall. Imagine this is a picture and you put it on the wall. And you want to take it down. So take it down means take it down. So the picture is no longer on the wall because you take it down. Okay? Next word is take it out. For example, look, inside this pencil case, I have a pen. And then I said, I take the pen out. So I take it out. Okay. Next word, take it off. So take it off, for example, you wear something and you want to take it off. Look, I wear my glasses, right? So I take my glasses off. I take it off. Okay, Diana. Next word is take it apart. Okay, look, here I have a pen. And I want to take the cap apart from the pen. So I say, I take it apart. Again, take it apart like this. Okay, take it apart. Next, take it in. So take it in is like this. For example, you learn math and it's really hard for you. So you can say, I can't take it in. Meaning that it's really hard for you to understand the materials. I can't take it in. I can't take the lesson in. Okay. Next, the last word is take it away. So take it away is like when you buy food from a restaurant and you want to eat it at home. So you take the food away. You take it away. You bring it home. Okay, Diana? So that's about expressions with take. So how many words have you learned the expressions about take? There are 6 words. The first one is take it down, take it out, take it off, take it apart, take it in, and take it away. So there are 6. Don't forget, okay? And the last lesson is about verbs for talking. Okay, Diana. So, related to the verbs of talking, there are several words that means talk, but in different way. For example, discuss. If we use the word discuss, it means you talk about something serious and important. For example, you discuss your homework with your friend. Okay, next word, whisper. Whisper is when you talk quietly to someone. You whisper the secret. Okay, next, argue. Argue is when you have an angry conversation with someone else. So you're angry and you talk to that person. You can call it argue with someone. Next is shout. Shout is when you talk loudly to someone, usually for someone far. You want to call your friend, you shout at him or her. Okay, next is interview. So interview is when you talk to someone to answer serious questions, usually for a job interview or maybe a scholarship interview and so on, right? Next is gossip. Gossip is to talk about someone's private life. Okay, last one is announce. Announce is to talk about something important to a lot of people. For example, your head teacher, your headmaster announced the holiday time for you after the test, for example. That's announce. So there are 7 different verbs for talking. The first one is discuss, second, argue, third, whisper, fourth, shout, fifth, interview, sixth, gossip, and the 7th one is announce. Okay, Diana, so that's it for our lesson today. After you listen to this video, I want you to do your exercise on your student's book, page 24, and then continued with workbook on page 21. Okay, Diana, I'm waiting for your answer. So that's it. See you on the next lesson. Bye-bye.